Hi everyone, it's Vijay. I hope you are having a fantastic evening. Today we will be discussing how to record your screen and your face using clipchamp.com, which was recently acquired by Microsoft. The best part, you can record your screen for up to 30 minutes absolutely free of charge. So, without further any ado, so let's dive into the topic. Click on Microsoft Edge browser. If you are using Google browser, you can use Google Chrome also. Just type clickchamp.com. Click on quick and easy video editor Clipchamp. Okay. You can I am using here Microsoft Edge browser. You can use any browser. Click on try for free. Here I am using my own Outlook account, so that here it's logged in automatically. You can use any Gmail account. Just here you see, you can trim video, you can trim record yourself also, you can record text to speech also. So that here for this demo purpose, we are using record yourself. This one. Click on try it. See here in the left, there are five options are there. If you want to record your camera only for starting YouTube, you have to talk to the audience, so that you will use screen and camera. If you are using camera, only camera. And for showing any demo means, at present I am showing how it is like this, means I am showing through Microsoft Edge browser. We are using screen, so that for this demo purpose I am using one recorder. Just I will click on screen. Just click on record to roll. Just click on window. Click on Microsoft Edge. Share. See, it is automatically recording the video. Am I right? Like this you can do. So that I hope so. It is a very simple process. But when it is launched, I too also don't know. Today I got this message from some other community members. So that I hope this is helpful to everyone. So that I recorded the video. So information is helpful to you. So please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. Thank you. Thank you very much.